Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Blur cryptocurrency for January prediction of 2024. We have started to advance quite aggressively as BTC has crashed yesterday once again, and we're looking forward to discovering how thus the altcoins are going to perform. We are down on the market cap quite aggressively, folks. It is basically, by looking at the space right now, minus 4.25% in the last 24 hours, which is a lot considering that we're speaking about the whole crypto market cap. Meanwhile, BTC is down on 5.7%. Blur cryptocurrency has been able to climb itself quite high during the meantime. So before we get started, we'd like to share with you that there's many other YouTube videos that you can check out on my YouTube channel and have a good time on the topic. There's also presentations when it comes down to trading, and there's also materials on my YouTube shorts that you can check out. We have many things in terms of trading and procedures, and you can, by the way, join my trading journey. Option number one is without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. It's based on performance, completely outsourced, and very simple. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is hunting financial freedom and is aiming to trade professionally. Now, Blur cryptocurrency is something that I care about at the moment, and I'd like to share with you some of the things that are very, very important at this point. To continue basically as how the altcoin market is expected to increase in the upcoming period, let alone the fact that Bitcoin is still in the highs and it's dumping like it did yesterday, we are still having a good time on the altcoin side as Ethereum has more room to be climbing upside, and there is still a delay under the creation of the market. So we're speaking about a season that is about to continue for the alts in terms of domination. Blur cryptocurrency is making a step forward and it's printing a green candlestick today, which is very aggressive above the structure. That is having the golden pocket as a major representation, a rejection at 60 cents, something that we broke out of, and we're looking forward pushing towards the next targets. So the first thing that I have in my mind will be the major target situated anywhere between 83 cents up to 90 cents. This is going to fulfill all the liquidity from the highest levels of the downtrend, accumulation stage, and then the uptrending rally, ranging market continuation. This is how basically we are portraying the current situation in the market as an overall approach back to the supply level, this one, which is, just like I said, between 83 up to 90 cents on the price action. It is also a level which is fulfilled with energy coming from 1.414 and 1.618 extensions of the Fibonacci on the ranging structure Fibonacci. We also got to keep in mind that as soon as we get out of the top line of the N-short volume weighted average price, the top line, which is the green one right there, acting as a resistance, it's actually the place we're dealing with right now. So we properly need the volume generated by the market on the altcoin side in order to take it above and move accordingly with that. It's just, I'm going to zoom into and make this lines to be like that for you to have a much more visible idea. We have the ability as well to touch the 1272 extension, retrace back to 70s after pushing to 78, and then go basically for the major supply. At major supply, it is also important to measure how does Ethereum and BTC looks like if they're still having room. Otherwise, you are going to have quite of a major top on the Blur at that level. So between 83 up to 90 cents, you have major difficulties breaking above. Constructing a structure that will actually have the capability to do that is something that needs time, and it also needs prior retracement once touching those levels. It's very interesting that certain levels that are called supply levels are needing basically a touch, retracement, and then creating a structure that is preparing as a technical aspect and price action type of trading for the breakout. It's not just like at every single first touch you have the ability to get out of it, to break out of it, to push through the line, to push through the zone. It's not happening, guys, most of the time. So we are trying to keep down to the earth and consider a target for January, which is on 35% as a minimal up to 41%. You have that range basically of volatility right there where you could consider that taking partial profits is a very, very good idea. Now, what about a downside? The downside, you have the 200 days and 50 days moving average. 200 days and 100 days. Both blue lines holding you and supporting you. At the time you got that confirmation of support, it was pretty much clear that Blue cryptocurrency is going to push very, very aggressively to the highs again. It was basically a confirmation coming from a specific pattern that is usually creating higher highs on the charts. So that's exactly what we're aiming in the upcoming period for Blue crypto. That's it, folks. We are sitting on a nice demand area from where we push by being supported as well by the moving averages very, very well. Oscillators indicating the trend, indicating the ability of the market to still dominate in the right direction. Great, so that's it where we are. Make sure for those of you that are interested to join my trading, to join my journey, participate with me, feel free to reach out. All the links in the description area and comments area to find out more about how does it work. As well, the one-on-one coaching, well, if you're serious about this business and if you consider it as a great opportunity to become financial free, if you're looking for that, then you must learn how to trade professionally and properly. In other words, correctly. This is an intensive one-on-one coaching program with me where I'll teach you how to trade basically by taking you by hand through videos, live videos with me, live conversations actually, and presenting you basically the entire process in a one-on-one coaching. Make sure to check out the video for a detailed explanation and then register now for a free conversation with me where I can show you even more. Enjoy, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.